Alright, welcome to your theoretical first day at Signature Canvas Makers. I'm going to show you how to install the toolbars in your home file. First we'll go up to Tools here, Options, Toolbars, click up here on File, Open. We will navigate to OneDrive, the Design Department folder under that, Rhino 7. You'll see this Toolbars folder in there. And here you'll find the 3 current toolbars that you will load into Rhino. So we'll start with the first one. You'll see here you'll have 4 things pop up in here. You want to hit the check mark on pop-up menu. We'll go back up to File and add the other 2. Make sure this bar is checked. Alright, now that we have those open, you'll see, I'll close this here. Okay. This is your pop-up menu. I'll show you how to set that up in a second. If we click on this little gear here, you can unlock and lock your toolbars. So this here's the sidebar. I keep mine docked right here, and this is the other one we opened, the SIGCAN DIMS. Put that right there. Go back to the little gear box, dock these, and now we'll set up the pop-up menu for when you middle mouse click on your scroll wheel. So we'll go up to Options, Mouse. You want to select this button, and here in the drop down menu you'll scroll all the way down. You'll see this Toolbars, and you want to select this one that's named pop-up menu. Select that, hit OK, and now whenever you middle mouse click, you'll have this pop-up bar.